I've been all in my phone, I got options. And I don't wanna tell you to drop it, but I don't wanna play your fair. Yeah, something that makes me look at you too often. Maybe you can give it something. Baby, I can run all the time. Baby, I'm talking crazy.
Oh my god, I can't even get you off guard because you already looking at it. Bye.
Bad bitches, we like fast boys. We like
Victoria's birthday coming up Sunday.
Okay, so I just got back home, guys, and we came. Another cream for tattoo later tomorrow. Some foundation for me to do my wig tonight. Some boots for the shoes, y'all. They look like church boots for real, but they really not. Like, it's for La Visa. I thought they were cute. I checked the sizing and stuff. Put some of my thumbs on it. Brownie said Forever 21. It was like a 3-piece. And I got, y'all, I got this Playboy hoodie. What is that? Oh, got this Playboy hoodie for $55. But, okay, so now that I got everything, my wig and stuff, so tomorrow is my nails and my tattoo. And then Sunday is brunch. So I'm gonna do this like a prep video because I didn't do an intro, so I'm gonna do an intro in a little bit. But yeah, so I'm gonna do my wig tonight and I'm gonna record it while I'm doing it. So yeah, see y'all in a bit. Like my lashes, that ain't cute. Okay, I just did the thing, and now I know what to do next. I put the foundation on, right? Put the foundation on. But y'all, here's the wig. It's an all black wig, but it's a 26-inch. And it's so pretty. I got it from Amazon. I don't know if I can still use going to be honest. So, this is what I've been doing. And y'all go, I'll put this on. Y'all, I just got my nails done. I was gonna record, but like, I only got the video of the thing, but I forgot to. And I finished my wig out. My phone had no storage on it, so I couldn't finish the video. It came out cute. I'm not done with it. I just thought it felt like this for today because everything was early in the morning. But gonna get I'll be back there with the number cream because y'all, I don't want to film nothing at all. Yeah, and my nails, I just want to show y'all my nails. They came out so cute. Go get at her. Okay, so y'all, I'm gonna let y'all know when I get to the grill to do my tattoo. So, see y'all.
Let's go. Big tattoo, big 17.
It's so cute. I know,
Let me see that tattoo. Big 17. What they say to her?
Great things come from hard work and perseverance.
Okay,
No excuses.
Let's get to it then.
Whatsoever.
Let's get to it.
Okay, y'all, I made it back home. And I know the video quality is kind of like, what's them things called where you got like a little dots on the screen, but it's like, cause it's dark in here. But y'all, I'm gonna show y'all what I got today. So I got a green Instax mini camera, like a Polaroid camera. I got a Fujifilm Polaroid camera in green from my boyfriend. He gave me that. I already took some pictures, y'all. Look. Yeah, look good. Hold on, where is it? I gotta hurry up for it, so no storage. Hey y'all. I got that. I already took a whole bunch of, not a whole bunch, but I took enough. And it came with a whole bunch of other stuff. It came with the 2, but it came with 4 in each one. And it comes with another little book, another photo book, the thing you can hang on your wall, and some stickers and a little hard shell and a little clear thing that you can put for like on your dresser or something. But yeah, I like that. And then he got me a little bag too. And then after that, y'all, my sister just got me a little card figure to go in my room. We move, which I'm gonna do a video on that. We move. I'm gonna put this in my room on my little dresser. I don't know if I want the arm to be up like this. The what? The Hitler suit. Salute. Anyway, so I'm gonna get back at y'all in the morning because tomorrow is brunch, and then yeah, tomorrow's just brunch. And so yeah, I'll let y'all know in the morning. Oh yeah, tomorrow's my birthday. Tomorrow's my birthday, and we're doing brunch. I don't know where the brunch is at, but I just know I'm having brunch at 10:45 in the morning, and then I'm going to take pictures in like 9, 10 in the morning. But okay, y'all, so yeah, I'm gonna talk to y'all in the morning. Y'all, so I got dressed and I did my wig and everything, but y'all, so basically I was gonna do the video this morning, but I didn't have any storage on my phone, so I wasn't able to show y'all the video of me getting ready. But this is the outfit. I got pictures. Y'all really can't see the whole thing, but I got pictures and stuff, so I'm gonna post that and incorporate it into the video and stuff like that, and TikToks and stuff. But yeah, so we're on the way to brunch right now, and we're gonna go take pictures first, and then I'm gonna post pictures, and then we're on the way to brunch. And so I'm ready for that. 17, y'all. But yeah, so we're gonna go do that first, and then we're gonna go to brunch. I don't know where we're going, so I'm gonna get back at y'all when we get to the place. Do your photo shoot. Yeah.
Oh, I like this one right here. Someone that's not even good.
Yeah, exactly. She's talking about, ooh. Yeah. Let's go, Libra season.
Yeah, we'll go to the pool. You need help? Nah. Yeah. You going in, huh?
Okay, y'all, this is where we're at, the honey hole something. But here we are. Y'all, we're here, and it looks so cute. Look at everything, y'all.